create retirement income, or how do I guarantee retirement income? That is probably one of the biggest questions that everyone retiring has, whether they ask it or not. Why? Because while you're working, you get this fabulous thing either in the mail or deposited directly in your account every couple weeks. That is your paycheck. And when you retire, it's important to replace that paycheck. Now, lots of times, Social Security is one of those things that come in that replaces that, but it's usually not enough. So how do we generate the remainder and create that paycheck? There's a couple ways. One, we can take withdrawals and we can do it in a way that's planned smartly. We talk about this in the retirement shift, where it should be consistent. It is not guaranteed, but you should have consistent withdrawals. Now, if you want to guarantee retirement income, you can kind of use your 401k or your IRA and turn it into a personal pension with guaranteed income for your life and your spouse's life using a contract with an insurance company. Take a look in this video below when I detail all the different ways you can guarantee or create income in retirement and decide which is the best way for you. If you have questions and want to go deeper, just give us a call.